14. In handling a chemical, you accidentally spilled a small amount of the contents on your hand. What should be the best course? Okay. Contents on your hand. What should be the best course of action for you to take? Okay. If nagkaroon ka ng chemical spill sa kamay mo, the best action is letter A. To immediately wash the affected hand and remove any clothing that the chemical might have in contact with them. Is ice chips po ba considered as CL? Like ice pop? Yes po. Basta yung ice chips, okay, hindi siya nahaluan ng milk products, dairy products, or cream. Okay? So if nagkaroon ka ng chemical spill sa kamay, do your thing first. Okay, do your job first, which is to wash your hands. Okay? You don't need to call the poison control center because wala namang na poison, 'di ba? Wala namang na poison dito.